What's Indyman's got on, honey?
A rain jacket.
A rain jacket. Is he gonna stay dry now?
Rain jacket. Rain jacket fell off.
Uh-oh, Amos!
What?
Amos, your rain jacket. We need to fix it.
Ziggy's rain jacket.
Oh no, Zeke! Zeke, what's going on with your rain jacket? What's wrong with your rain jacket?
We'll put it back on the bed.
What's wrong with Indyman's? Fix Indyman's rain jacket.
Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Look it. There you go. Look it. There you go.
Thank you. Poor Emmons. His rain jacket got all messed up. Why is he such a good boy and Chatter's so terrible? She didn't want to keep hers on. Poor Emmons. Your rain jacket fell off. Zeke, what's wrong with your rain jacket? Oh, the sleeves are way too long, aren't they?
Yeah.
The sleeves are way too long, huh?
Yeah.
Poor body. What happened to your rain jacket?